Hello, my name is Francisco Chavez and welcome to my music course. I have been teaching music for almost 10 years and now I decided to do a course. This course is meant for all the instruments. It's meant for anyone who wants to start at music, and it's meant for absolute beginners. If you're not a beginner, this course may not be for you. I will explain musical concepts step by step in a way that you will not find anywhere else on the internet. This course is not meant for you to learn a specific instrument, but it is a course to enable you to get the musical skills needed to play any song. I promise you that by the end of this course, you'll have the musical knowledge necessary to attempt to play any song. Now you may say, but some songs are just too hard. Yes, they are, but with my method, we're gonna make these songs easy. We're gonna simplify the songs because we're gonna study them and we're gonna study the concepts underlining each song. This course is not genre focused. This course can be applied to any musical style, from pop, rock, classic, jazz, or even electronica. It doesn't matter because what we are going to discuss are universal musical concepts. These musical concepts, you will need them throughout your journey. So welcome.